Good morning, guys, and welcome to Vlogmas Day 9. Today is Tuesday, December 9th. It is currently 7:16 in the morning, and I'm finishing up getting ready for work. Hubby just left. Autumn is downstairs eating her breakfast. So I'm just about to spruce up my hair, put some lotion on, some smell good, and we should be on our way out the door. So what we got going on today? We ain't really got much going on today. Same old, same old. We'll go to work. We'll see what work has to offer us today. Then I might work a half day today. I might not. Since it's December, we are working on the holiday schedule. Well, we kind of have like a skeleton crew, half and half. So, but depending on how busy I am, sometimes I just stay at work for the full day. I don't always leave for half a day, but we'll see, we'll see. After work, the basketball team, they're taking their team photos today at around 6:30, and then Alvin has a game today at 7. So that's what we'll be doing this evening. I know yesterday I said that we was gonna fluff out the tree. Girl, we didn't end up fluffing out the tree. We ended up ordering some DoorDash last night for dinner. And then we just kind of ate. Let the kids make their little Vlogmas short. And then that was all she wrote. So maybe today we'll get around to decorating the tree, and maybe not. Don't quote me on it, but you know, we get to it eventually. So I'm about to finish getting myself together. I don't know what I'm taking for lunch today. Yeah, I think it's about time for me to dye my hair again. Cause I don't really like black hair on me, but you see my roots are growing in and getting a little dark, so it's time for another round of color. I might dye it before we go on vacation. Cause the last time I dyed it was in, I think last time we went on vacation, I think in July, either June or July. So yeah, we're a good 6 months. So I got enough black that don't grow back in. So I think I'm about to let my hair grow out. Let it get a little longer. Maybe it'll act right. I ain't gonna let it grow its full length, but I'm gonna let it get a little longer than how it normally is. But yeah, so let me finish up because we need to be out the door by 7:30 at the latest. Show y'all what perfume I'm wearing today, and yeah, finish getting it together. Y'all, I got this monstrosity on my face. I'm pretty sure y'all have noticed it, but it's very how convenient when Vlogmas starts and I'm doing daily recording that this monster is on my face. It's stressing me out. All right, perfume. So today we are wearing Deeply Blossom by Jack Hope. we coming up on the end of this. It's almost gone. So yeah, but I had got this at one of those discount perfume shops. So it's been my scent for the last week or two. So, all right, about to finish up getting dressed, head downstairs and go get Autumn so we can get out the door and get this day started. All right, y'all, I hope you guys have a great, productive Tuesday, and I will see you guys later. Y'all, so I just came downstairs and y'all look at what the elves are up to today. So you got Fred over here. Day 9 says, "Who's my ride to the North Pole? Pick a winner." And this is the setup. You have a reindeer, a penguin, and a polar bear. Alright, so you got Elfie and her Jeep, and then you have all the other little racers. So, who's gonna make it to Fred first to pick him up, to get ready to take him back to Santa's workshop on the North Pole? We shall find out. Alright, elves, we are off to school and work. Catch y'all later. What am I gonna eat for lunch today, y'all?
I don't know.
What am I gonna eat for lunch today, y'all? Yesterday I had spaghetti leftovers. Here go your cup. Put it in your book bag. You want some ramen? I got ramen. I got cup noodles at work. Could eat that. Just eat one of my what I call adult Lunchables. I need to make me some coffee. I just take one of my adult Lunchables. Oh, should have made me a sandwich. All right, my adult Lunchables, the Hillshire Snacking. So this one is all natural uncured pepperoni. So it's like 6 slices of pepperoni, 6 slices of white cheddar cheese, and then 6 toasted rounds. I don't really like these crackers because they hard. It's like eating bruschetta. They're so hard it's gonna crack your tooth. So I always take me some Ritz crackers and I just use those instead of the ones that come in here. And can't forget my daily handy dandy Red Bull. Today we got the watermelon flavor. No coffee. We're gonna make some coffee real quick. What time is it? 7:36. Girl, leave me alone. Alright, make my own coffee so I don't have to stop at Starbucks. So today we are having Starbucks French vanilla latte with Coffee Mates Italian sweet creamer. So I'll put that in my coffee cup and then we're gonna head out the door. What am I showing y'all? Whatever is it? Goodies. She got, where are my Ritz crackers?
I got these from school and got this
can't forget my
home.
Smuckers. Breakfast.
You know how to read? Can you read it for me?
It's blurry because it's full. This an eraser?
Yeah.
It's a big eraser. It's a jar of jelly, but It's a eraser. This whole thing is an eraser. Oh, that's pretty cool. It should last you all of your kindergarten school year.
And this,
Where's my coffee
and
cup?
the same as this is the eraser 2, Big Development one. And then that's the same thing. They both do, but let me pick them
All right, Autumn, go put your stuff away so we can walk out the door. I'm just finishing up my coffee. And then I should be ready.
That's it. We will see you again so that we can show you what the elves are doing on day 9. Again. Bye guys. I'll see you this afternoon. Bye. I hope you enjoyed this first video. We're gonna do another one with you guys.
All right, y'all, we heading out the door. Now we are in the car.
Now we're in the car.
Alright, y'all. Let's get Autumn to school. It's 49 degrees this morning.
Yeah, it's cold.
It's not that
Wear
cold.
a jacket. Every single one of them.
Find me a podcast to listen to. For all my Navy people out there, I don't know if y'all heard of the Permission to Speak Freely podcast. It's like these 3 Master Chiefs. Yeah, they got a podcast. I listen to them on YouTube. So it's a good podcast. Y'all can check it out. I like hearing the perspective from my fellow African American service members and they Master Chief. So, you know, they give you a different perspective. So it's cool listening to their perspective and seeing them outside of work. You know, they still keep it professional, but for the most part, they be real. They keep it real. So I think I'm like 2 podcasts behind. So I need to catch up. Alright, yeah, the last podcast they uploaded like 2 weeks ago. So yeah, I'm about to listen to that on the way to work. And I will catch y'all in a bit.
And I knew that I lost a tooth. So now we're at my school, guys. I'll see you guys later.
Autumn off. You ready for school today?
Yeah.
Yeah. We are gonna do anything exciting? No, probably
I
not.
don't really know what we're gonna do, guys. But I'm gonna figure out what we're gonna do today. And I'm gonna have some fun. So, I'll see you guys this afternoon.
Got your book bag? Got your book bag?
Yeah.
All right, give me a hug. Kiss. All right, love you.
Love you too.
Have a good
Bye,
day.
guys.
See you later. All right, Autumn is dropped off at her before school care, and I am off to work. y'all. I am fresh off of work, on my way home. Actually, on my way to go pick up Autumn from school. I feel like I did nothing today. Did I have a productive day? Maybe. Did I do any work? Not really. But today it actually went by fast, even though I didn't really do nothing but ran my mouth all day and ate. But yeah, so as y'all can see, it's dark outside. What time? It is 4:33 p.m. And the main thing that I don't like about the West Coast is that it gets dark early. Why am I leaving work and it is this dark? Like, check it out. It is, what time is it? 4:33. It looked like it's about 7 o'clock. It looked like it's about 7 o'clock. It always feels so late, but it be so early. That's the only thing I don't like about the West Coast is it gets dark so early, and it just make you feel like you just don't want to do nothing but, you know, go home, lay on the couch, get in bed. But yeah, so on my way to go pick up Autumn from school. It's drizzling a little bit. It's a little storm passing through. But yeah, on the way to pick her up so we can go home. Alvin has his team pictures tonight and he has a basketball game. So hopefully that goes good. And I will see you guys when I make it home. Just wanted to come on and say hey. Take y'all along on the end part of my drive as I make it to Autumn's after school care to pick her up before we make it home. Alright, y'all. Talk to you later. Yeah, I remember how I told y'all that Alvin got his basketball team pictures today. So his daddy hooking him up, making him all cute and whatnot. Laying his hair down, edging him up. He even got a few waves up there. What's up, future NBA star? You ready for your game tonight? You ain't gotta shake your head. You can just use your mouth and say, yeah, man. See, check them waves out. Ooh, they coming, they coming. A little more practice, a little more taming. You gonna have some waves in there in a minute. You're gonna grow up and stop. Alvin gonna grow up and be a pretty boy. He be having all the girls. All the girls. Alright, we're gonna let them finish up. And then about 30-45 minutes, we're gonna get ready to head out so you can go take these pictures. And good luck on y'all game tonight. Alright, y'all, we done made it home. About to change real quick so that we can head to Alvin's basketball game. But first, I got a package in the mail. Let's unbox it real quick. I'll be opening up my packages in secrecy, away from the fam. I'm in the bathroom right now, but open them up away from the fam because I haven't told them all the stuff that I've been ordering. So, I've been ordering stuff for our upcoming vacation in about 2 weeks for Christmas. So we will not be home this year for Christmas. It's the matching Christmas custom shirts that I ordered. Yay, they made it in time. All right, so I hear little footsteps. It's probably all. All right, I'm back. So the girls are gonna wear the green shirts and the guys are gonna wear the red shirts. All them shirts be looking so small. Sometimes I order shirts and they be too big for her, and sometimes they be too small. But I guess it's only for this Christmas, so it really don't matter. All right, so the shirts say Lions Family Christmas 2025. Making memories together, and then at the bottom of each shirt it got each person's name. So first up we have Autumn's shirt. They're a little wrinkled right now because they've been folded up fresh out of the package. So, and they had them in this tiny little bag, so yeah, they jam-packed them in there real good. So they're a little wrinkled, but they're gonna get washed and ironed before we have to wear them. So that's Autumn's, and then let's see, what size is this? Extra large. So this should be hubby's, and like I said, the boys will be wearing a red shirt. I thought that shirt had a hole in it. I was about to get upset. Here's hubby's shirt. Like I said, they all say the same thing. It'll just have Lions up top for our last name. And then it'll have each person's name at the bottom. So that one says Alvin. So this shirt look, let me see. It seems kind of big. I got us extra larges. We might have need a large. Because you know we on our weight loss journey. So these extra larges might be a little big. Let me see. I got me an extra large too. But they're from Amazon, so they might shrink after they get washed. Who knows? But mine's is green. Y'all, these shirts are big. I don't think I was expecting the shirts to be this big. Look at this. It's on face tracking, so. This shirt gonna be like a dress. And then Junior shirt. Yeah. Youth medium. See, our shirts were too big. This shirt gonna be too small. Y'all look at this. At this point, what's the difference between a youth medium and a T5? I'm finna hold them up. We finna compare. I feel like they're the same size. Look at that. Well, here's a little bit bigger, but damn, not that much. Look at that. You see? It's only a little piece difference between the T5 and the youth medium. Dang. I don't think Alpha shirt gonna fit. Y'all, this. Man. One day. He only got to wear it for one day, so. He might look a little hungry on Christmas, but this shirt is small. He gonna have to come try this on. I'm sorry. Cause I don't want to pack it up and we leave and the shirt be too small. I'm gonna have to let him try it on before we leave. That way, if it is too small, I might can order. When did I order this? I think this took like a week and a half to make it. Maybe if I order another one today or tomorrow, it might can get here on time, but this too small. This too small. Yeah, he gonna have to try this on tonight. They both might have to try these on, because that's the only thing I hate about ordering kids' clothes online. And they grow so fast. You just never know if it's gonna be too small or too big. See, normally when I order on Shein, I order everything a size bigger. But these came off Amazon. And they didn't really give me true sizes. It just said youth or adult. No in between. So, whatever. We'll make it work. We'll make it work. So, yeah. And every trip, for the most part, I'm the one that pack all the suitcases. So, they're going to be in a surprise. They're going to be in for a surprise when they see that I done packed all these. I think we probably got about 4, maybe 5 Christmas shirts to wear. I'm gonna still bring our Christmas pajamas. See, normally on Christmas, so our tradition is Christmas Eve, we let the kids open up one present. And we're usually in our matching pajamas. We make the cookies and put out the milk and everything for Santa, and we let them open one present. And we usually do all that in our pajamas. And then the next day for Christmas, when everybody's opened up their presents and stuff, we're still in our matching Christmas pajamas, and we pretty much have them on all day. But since we're gonna be on vacation and away for Christmas, we're not just gonna be walking around in our pajamas all day. So that's why I kind of got us shirts so we'll have matching outfits, but you know, we'll still like go to sleep Christmas Eve with our pajamas on, and then we'll wear the regular clothes throughout the day. And we could put our pajamas back on at night, or you know, whatever we choose to do. But I didn't want us to be out and about in actual pajamas, unless I wear my onesie. I think we got like a Santa and an Elf onesie from last year. Alright, I just wanted to do that quick little unboxing, little Amazon haul right quick. I think I still got a few more things coming from Shein. And that should be it. But alright, y'all. Let me get changed into something else real quick. It is 6 o'clock. They got pictures at 6:30. So let me change, and then we're going to head out the door so we can go take these basketball team pictures. All right, Alvin's up to take his individual photos. All right, individual photos are done. Now the team is getting together. They're getting ready for their team photo. Look at my boy. Future NBA player right there. Got his muscles out today. Team photo with the coach and all 8 players. All right, y'all. So photos are over. 7 o'clock. It's time for our game. So this is our 3rd game of the season. Yes, Autumn.
Can I go out there with Alvin?
No, their team. They're gonna go practice and shoot around. So we just walked in the gym, got our seats. The team is out there warming up. So let's go, Greenhawks. Let's go, Greenhawks. Good luck, y'all. It's Autumn playing on these bleachers. Hopefully she don't fall. They out there shooting around, warming up. These are the ops. For some reason, the opposing team, these kids look ginormous. Like, they probably 6th graders. So Alvin is in the 5th grade, and the basketball team is a mix of 5th and 6th graders. So I feel like their whole team is 6th graders, and we still 5th graders over here. But all right, they about to get warmed up, and hopefully we have a good game.
I
Let's
thought
go,
the game
Greenhawks.
was over.
Good job, good job. Almost. Oh, I was like, damn, that was quick.
Is it time to go home?
Oh, then you got a bounce? Okay. Go, Ethan. Why did they have the clock going?
Mommy, do you want this? Mommy, do you want this?
No.
I'm just seeing if there's anything that you want.
Good job, Ethan. Good job. All right, let's see. Finishing out the first half, we got 15 and the other team got 3. Doing good, Greenhawks. Doing good. First half, post half over with. All right, we got 20 seconds left on the clock. We up 28-10. 10 seconds. 5. Run that clock. Run it out. Run it out. Good job, Greenhawks. Good job. And that's a wrap. 28-10. We are now 2-1. Good job, Greenhawks. Good win for the day. They played a good game. I was kind of worried about the other team because they was a little bit bigger. Good job, guys. Good job.
And the rest of you.
Don't be trying to show off now.
Speed and athleticism. If anybody even passed the ball around you, you literally like look at the word Seahawks. You were like, I'm so long and athletic, I'm just going to jump in front of that ball every time. That's what I'm talking about. Let's go. Now, hey, when you had that shot, turn, set, shoot. Yeah.
I don't want to play basketball so bad. Go on, girl. Gotta get a little bit older and get a little bit taller. She'll be there. No, she be trying to do everything that her brother do. You lost your earring? It's all right. We got more at home. I ain't finna look for it. All right, so we have predominantly females in my department at work. So we have like 2 guys, but I think only one is participating in the white elephant. So I'm gonna err on the side of caution and get a more feminine gift because the probability of a girl picking my gift is high. Plus, if the guy gets it, he has a wife, he can always give her the gift for Christmas. So I think I'm gonna go with, they have this little 8-piece set that comes with shower gel, body mist, body lotion, a loofah, a brush, and like 2 bath bombs. It's an 8-piece set and it's over here in the $10 section, so I'm assuming it's $10, but I might go with that. Does this look good? Now, what was the one you had picked up? Let me see. That one $20.
We got 10 pieces, but they come with this thing too, so they come with that.
The little basket.
Yeah. The
Okay.
little basket is
Hubby might found something better, so let me look. All right, show me what you got.
little basket. So the basket got bombs and all that stuff in it. You know, the basket is what's to sell. That's what you want. That's what people want. That basket.
I wanted you to hold it up properly so I could get it. All right, y'all, we're gonna switch it up. Uh-oh.
That's a,
See, I don't know what the fragrance is.
it's
So we're gonna go with this Bloomfield Winter Solace Bath and Body Collection, fir and eucalyptus. So hopefully it smells good. This is actually a 10-piece set. I had the 8-piece at first, but we're gonna go with this 10-piece. I think the only difference is the basket, and it has a face mask. So yeah, we're gonna roll with that. How much was that? $20. $20 right on the market.
It's the don't be a chicken hot sauce bottle.
Let me see.
Don't be a chicken. Yeah, don't be a chicken hot sauce.
We still ain't even made it through the hot ones, hot sauce yet.
You want to hold my
That's
cup?
so. This is a family channel. That's funny though. What's the? Okay, so that comes off, and then the top is on the inside of that.
Yeah, I think so. I like it.
They got some
I'll
barbecue
get it
dry
just to
rub.
have it.
Oh yeah, I like these little hot sauce kits.
Yeah, I'm gonna get it just to
They
have this
got
one. This might sell out.
they got Hell's Kitchen. Yes, chef.
Let me get the one.
And then now that they got a little 25 pack of hot sauce right there. And they nice little sample sizes too. Ooh, they got Hawaiian lava hot sauce. Yeah, you might need to get you one of these. It's from flavors all over the world.
I mean, I do want that too, but I like
cool.
this bottle.
And then check out these strawberry daiquiri drink mix infusion, and then espresso martini drink mix infusion. So they're like bottles that don't have the alcohol in it, but it has all the flavors. So it has like the dried fruit. Just add your rum of choice. Pretty cool. And they only $10 too. Yeah, that bottle is like a good collector's item. All right, we initially came in here for some milk. This way. Did y'all see a gingerbread house?
I did.
Which one? That little white castle cookie set is cute. You want an M&M house? No, we can get the one that has the little village. Let me show y'all. If you get the one that has the village, it comes with how many houses? 4, 5? That way it's a house for each of us. Trying to figure out which gingerbread house we want to do. I like this one though. The Winter Castle, he said. Which one? Alvin, they got the M&M village one that you was looking at, the M&M one. You want to do the M&M village?
And the Reese's cup. Reese's cup.
So we could do the last one altogether.
Reese's cup.
All
The
right.
Reese's cups are up there.
Are you gonna do it?
It's one right here. No, that's just one. Unless the box is backwards. It's different. Okay. All right. Make sure it does actually. Yeah, it got to say 5 on it. All right, cool. The gingerbread houses have been secured. We will work on that on a future day. Picking out little beanie hats. I'm gonna attempt to try this hat on. I mean, I would think it might fit. It's a beanie.
Yeah, it should fit you.
It should fit. It got cardboard on the inside, so I can't really try it on. Can't really try it on all the way like I want.
Yeah,
Naughty would match. I like this one though.
Get that one.
This one kind of cute.
Yeah, get that one.
With the little reindeer antlers for the white fit, and that one can be for the dark fit. Depending on one out the back or something. Everybody been touching on this one. Oh, that jolly one. Have a holly jolly Christmas. All right. It done picked you up.
Oh, well, we in there then.
You took over, so it's following you.
I done took over, I guess. My face is on that.
I'm debating between
this hat. Check that out.
this white hat or this jolly hat.
I mean, choose your character. I chose this one. I'm thinking about this one.
Am I jolly though?
That one like it's gonna be big on you. Go for the reindeer.
Yeah, they all the same size.
But what if they not? And they just
Actually-
look like it.
Well, the reindeer look like it's more stretched out. I felt like. Then it.
Well, then get the jolly one.
Hey, which hat do y'all like better? Jolly or reindeer?
You know that had baby food.
Everyone likes the reindeer. That's my initial pick until I saw this one. All right. Going with these two. Is there some more on the other side?
It probably is, but they probably the same too.
Can I get out?
No, it's
I mean,
earmuffs
can
and
you
everything.
Definitely need some earmuffs. All right, y'all. All right, we got all our things out of Walmart. Hope it's not raining. The damage of $200 today. We came to Walmart for two things. Milk and a white elephant gift. And we walking out. Oh no, $221 later. But all right, I'll see y'all when we get home because it's pouring down raining and this camera is not waterproof. So I'll see y'all at the house.
What's up, Fam Lions crew? So, it is day 9 of Vlogmas. This morning, I came downstairs and the elves were gone and they were actually somewhere else. They were actually on the ground and they were doing something. So, I want to show you what they were doing on the ground. So, Brad's over here in the car waiting for Elfie to pick him up. And then we have the car jumping down from the car ramp. And then we also have the stunt garage from yesterday. And then the card of the day says, "Who's my ride to the North Pole? Pick the winner." Okay, now that we have showed you the elves, told you what the elves are doing, I think it is time to open our advent calendars.
Now it's time to open up our advent calendars. Let's see what we got. Ooh, hi, look it. I got a little boot. It might look blowy, but it's a boot. Yeah, it looks like Alvin's. If you can see this better. Let me eat that.
other advent
Now we're
calendar.
gonna open up our other advent calendar.
I thought a stretchy lobster or something, whatever this is.
And I have a wing. So that's what we have. That is it for day 9. We will see you again on day 10. Bye. Peace out. I mean pizza.